Hello there, this is Deborah, and I'm here to show you how I pack up some gifts. These gifts are for the winners of my Facebook private group section. And in each one of the little boxes, I'm going to be putting a little stuffed animal. Hello there, the little bunny is saying, along with some other wonderful little gifts here. Now, these gifts are way overdue. I purchased these boxes here special for the orders. This is from eBay. These boxes are 9 by 6. I believe they're 9 by 6 by, 9 by 6 by 3. And they fit perfectly in the padded flat rate envelopes here. So that was one of the reasons I purchased this size. Now, as you see me package up everything, you're going to think, oh, she needed a bigger box. But actually, I do have some bigger boxes coming that I have custom made for my subscription boxes that have already started doing. If you go on my website, you won't see a website that you can order from at this time, because I've taken the website not down, but I just kind of closed it off because I wanted to upgrade, update, and just bring some new things to the table. So that's why the website's not up. I have a lot of ideas and just haven't put them out there yet. Now, I put some little Xena flower seeds in every box so that you can plant them and have some beautiful flowers for the summer. Also, I have used a disinfectant in all the boxes here. I have on some gloves. Not that anyone in my household is sick or anything, but I'm just want to take extra precaution for your gifts here. As you can see, I have a lot of little gifts here. I have some big bath bombs that really big for the tub, but you're going to enjoy them. With all the things going on, you're going to be able to soak and relax. I have some body spray. Now, the body sprays are custom orders. Their person name is on each one of the bottles. Hopefully you can see it. I made a few hand sanitize for the 3 winners, and I think there's a few others. I have some body butter here. I have this cute little purse that I put a few little goodies in as well. I don't have purses that's going to be in all the packages, but I did add to the ones, 3 winners, I believe, and a few others. So we did have 3 winners. We had a first place winner, a second place winner, and a third place winner. But we also had 10 other participants that came on and joined the Facebook Live group that I had for this drawing. So I wanted to give them something as well. So when you get your package, you don't have to worry about sterilizing the inside because I've already sanitized it for you. But when you do get it, make sure the outside, the padded flat rate envelope is plastic. You want to use some type of sterilizer, whatever you have, bleach water, or I'm not quite sure, Lysol, I'm not sure what you're going to use, but just make sure you wipe your packages down. Put on some gloves and just take extra precaution, because when it leaves here, I don't know what's going to happen from when it leaves my home. But right now in my home, I've got on my gloves, I've sterilized it, I've put some sanitized spray over everything, made sure everything's nice. And like I said, there's no sickness in this home, although, you know, there's a lot of homes that, you know, people are really sick. So I just want to let you know that your package is on the way, and thank you for your patience, being so patient with me with my printer not working and just so many things going down. But you know, I'm just glad to be able to do this, and I'm having so much fun packing up your gifts. So I hope you enjoy them. I have a few samples as well as some full products here. I have all kind of little samples for you, all kind of little soaps and things for you to enjoy. And I'm also going to put an invoice in there, so if you decide you wanted to purchase some of these products later on when the website is up, please feel free to do that. This is a little guest soap here, some moisturizing avocado, little bar, facial bar, and it has real avocado in it. So I'm going to be speeding this video up, and I won't be saying anything else through the video, but I just want to say, oh, at the end of the video, I have a special little surprise for those that like sound. I did leave some sound in the end of the video, so you got to watch the end. The invoices, everything's in there. So I just hope you enjoy your gift, and I just want to say it was such a pleasure to be packing your gifts up. God bless you. You guys just stay safe and do the right thing, whatever you need to do. Okay.